Welcome to our shorts, guys. This is another day of feeding under our 365 days challenge, and by your support, by God grace, we have come so far, guys. Continuously, daily basis, we are feeding puppies and dogs, the same thing. And from past few days, we have added the pedigree as well, as you all guys know, like because you have been keep watching our shorts. So if you can see, like we have added this pedigree. Okay, thank you for your support. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep like and subscribe, and keep comment as well. Thank you, guys.